everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel and happy Wax Wednesday. We're here on our channel. We do a series called Bars to Jars, which basically means we are highlighting a candle every single week, pretty much every week, and we are pairing some Scentsy bars to go along with those candles. So if you are someone who you like to burn candles as well as melt, or maybe you just like the particular scents of certain candles but you don't want to burn the candles, you'd rather have a melting option, that's what this little series is for. I'm so glad that so many of you have really enjoyed this series. I have definitely enjoyed this series because it got me kind of thinking out of the box a little bit, mixing a little bit more than I normally do, and finding some new favorites for sure. So this week we are actually going to go a little bit outside the box because guess what, guys? It's not going to be a Homeworks candle. So this is something new and interesting. We have a Bath & Body Works candle, but you can definitely tell I'm on a little bit of a donut kick here. So from Bath & Body Works, we are going to highlight the Campfire donut candle. And this one I honestly don't think is available anymore. I think I got this back in 2017. So it's an old one, but it is really good. So this one I had a few of, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna break it out and start burning it to be able to do this little series, and you will see why. So this particular candle, it's nice. It does soot like crazy, but the smell of it is really nice. So if you liked this candle from past years and you are looking for a wickless option, stay tuned because I think I found a pretty good, it's not a dupe per se, but it's pretty freaking close. So for the Bath & Body Works Campfire donut candle, the notes are powdered sugar, glazed donut, and cedarwood. So I definitely get that kind of like powdered sugar and that kind of greasy donut vibe that you guys know I'm just totally all over right now. It's really, really nice. So I saw that I had this stashed away and I was like, ooh, I already have something in mind. So I decided to mix it really only took one mix, but then here just a few minutes ago before I started recording, I was like, oh, I should have done this other mix. So I'll tell you what that mix is after I share this with you, but I haven't actually mixed that other mix. So here we go, you guys. You guys already know. If you've been with me for this series, you already know what one of these scents is gonna be. But we have toasted marshmallow, oh my goodness, which on its own is absolutely fantastic. This is actually very similar to Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. So kind of same vibe, but you're needing that kind of greasy donut note along with this, right? So this is so good because you get that kind of creamy, sweet marshmallow note to this, but you also get that woody note, slightly smoky. It's really, really good. I love this so much. And on its own, it's amazing. It's definitely pretty strong too. I don't know if this made it into my Powerhouse video or not. I feel like it did. It should have. If it wasn't in there, it's really, really strong. It's really good. I love this so much. But to get that extra little donut vibe, of course, I had to mix it with Churu. So Churu is currently available as well. And you guys know that this has been one that's been on my radar that I really love on cold, but on its own, it just futzes out. This scent, I'm telling you, this scent was made to mix because once you start mixing it, it's actually a little bit stronger than it is on its own, which I think is so funny. Let me know in the comments if this bar does that for you as well. I know some people have said, no, it performs really great for me. Me personally, it's just nothing. And I wish it would be a little bit stronger, but on its own, it does nothing. Mixing, that's when it shines. I love it. I'm having so much fun with it. So these two together, 1 cube to 1 cube in the same warmer, whoo, pretty freaking close to Campfire donut. You get that that marshmallow note, you get that sweetness, you get that woody note, slightly smoky, and then you get that churro note, which is going to be that kind of greasy, almost donut kind of vibe you're getting from it. So, so good. Let me read you the descriptions from each one. Toasted marshmallow is this summer staple goes gourmet with hints of smoked caramel and vanilla bean malt. Now, if you are someone who you're sensitive to caramel scents, don't be completely turned off by this because it's not, I mean, I don't pick up any real caramel notes from this. It's really just ooey gooey sweet marshmallow and that like smoky woody kind of note. It's just done so perfectly. It's done so perfectly. But if you are someone who like, caramel scents tend to be too cloying or they make you feel kind of sick when you smell it because it's so sweet. This, I don't think this is going to do that for you. Now, Caramel Vanilla Delight, that is cloying. I love that one, but it is definitely like vanilla and caramel. There's no real caramel in this. So that I pick up anyway. I know everybody's sniffer differs, but I don't pick up any caramel in this particular one. It's just that marshmallow, smoky, woody wonderfulness. I love it. So, and then we have the Churu mixed with it, which is baked pastry sprinkled with cinnamon sugar, captures that heavenly churro charm. So I love this. I really, really love this mix. And then like what really was fairly close to this particular candle. So if you had this candle, if you liked this candle from years past, give this mix a try. I think you're really gonna like it. It's really, really nice. I love it. I feel like it is totally summery. Now this one, I believe this was a part of I wish this would say if it was like a winter collection. It doesn't say, but I would assume it was, hence the old snowflake here and the kind of like wintry scene that we see on the label here. But I could see this totally being a really great summer smell because, I don't know, all year round, I think. I love this smell. I think it smells so good. So I love it. The other scent that I was thinking would be a good mix, now, like I said, I haven't tried it, but because one that's kind of similar to Toasted Marshmallow is Bonfire Beach from Scentsy. I have that bar, but I just didn't think to do this mix before now. So maybe give that one a try too. Now the difference between Bonfire Beach and Toasted Marshmallow, in my opinion, is that you get almost that like salty sea air note along with the woody, sweet creamy marshmallow note along with it. This doesn't have that like salty sea air note to it. So I think for this particular candle combination, I feel like this is going to be the way to go. But maybe if you don't have Toasted Marshmallow in your inventory for what you have, give Bonfire Beach a try mixed with Churu. I would love to know your thoughts. But if you're picking up all new fragrances, I would highly suggest giving this one a try. It's really, really nice. I love it. So there you have it. That is this week's little Wax Wednesday Bars to Jars series. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any recommendations on maybe what candles we should start doing some comparisons for. Now, I do have another one in mind for next week, and if I can find, I'm working on a good combination here for that candle. And if I can find it, you guys are going to be, your minds are going to be blown. It's going to be so good. Oh, it's going to be so good. So here's hoping I can still, I'm working on the mixes. So definitely stay tuned for next week's video, but it's going to be good. So anyways, like I said, I'm on my donut kick. So I hope you guys liked this. I know you guys are really liking the combination of churro and apple butter frosting. I still feel like out of this entire series, that is definitely my new favorite mix of all time, but this might be a close second. It's really good. So all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Let me know if you have tried this mix before or if you're going to, or a mix kind of similar to this. I love to hear from you guys. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a really great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.